Some of the first questions people ask themselves after a DUI arrest is, how much can I expect this to cost me, and what do I do next? If you are asking yourself these same questions, we can help. While being charged with a DUI is very serious and not ever should be taken lightly, many people can quickly panic following an arrest and lose valuable time which can be used to their advantage. The truth is, there are factors that might very well be able to beat your DUI arrest charge without any fines, loss of driver's license, or possible jail time. It's important to realize this desired outcome will come down to the specifics of your particular arrest details, as well as the reason you were given for the original traffic stop leading up to the DUI arrest. There are certain basic criteria that officers must have to conduct a traffic stop and a DUI arrest. For example, it is very important to understand that if your original traffic stop does not fit constitutional standards, or the stop can be shown as invalid, the case will be dismissed. This is due to the fact that if the original reason for the stop is wrong, everything after that point must be suppressed, which includes any breathalyzer or field sobriety test results, and the DUI case must be dismissed as well. Please remember that our online examination of your arrest details is always a free-to-use resource for anyone who has recently had a DUI or a DWI arrest, with no other obligation of any kind. We also can give you a price quote based upon your details, so you know the costs which you should be prepared to incur, which can provide you with peace of mind by knowing up front what you expect to pay in fighting your case. By taking advantage of having your arrest details thoroughly examined through us at FightDUICharges.com, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. The sooner you can put to use any potential errors or other anomalies found in fighting to beat your DUI case and return your life back to normal.